Hello Dev Masterminds, how much do you know about JavaScript frameworks? In the ever-evolving world of web development, there's always something new to learn, and today we're diving deep into the universe of JavaScript frameworks. Picture this, you're at a crossroads, a fork in your coding journey, if you will. To your left, you see Angular, the powerhouse of frameworks. To your right, there's React, the flexible library. And straight ahead, you meet Vue, the progressive framework. Each path has its own unique set of challenges and rewards. But which one do you choose? Now, if you're here, you've probably run into JavaScript frameworks at least once in your coding life. Maybe you've dabbled a bit in Angular, or perhaps you've dipped your toes into the waters of React. Or maybe, just maybe, you're a seasoned veteran, having navigated the treacherous seas of all three. Whichever the case, we're here to shed some light on these three titans of the JavaScript world. Throughout this video, we'll be taking a detailed voyage into each of these frameworks. We'll be comparing their strengths, their weaknesses, and most importantly, their ease of use. Because let's face it, in the fast-paced world of web development, we all want tools that make our lives easier, not harder. Now, this isn't just a one-way conversation. We want to hear from you too. Have you used any of these frameworks before? What was your experience? What did you love and what did you loathe? Let's get a conversation going in the comments section. Let's learn from each other because that's how we grow as a community and as individuals. With the rapid evolution of web development, understanding these frameworks is crucial. So let's dive right in. First, we have Angular, a powerful and robust framework. Developed and maintained by Google, Angular is a force to be reckoned with in the world of front-end web development. Angular's power comes from its comprehensive nature. It's a complete package, providing developers with everything they need to build dynamic single-page applications right out of the box. This includes features like two-way data binding, dependency injection, and a modular architecture, just to name a few. In terms of ease of use, Angular does come with a steep learning curve, especially for beginners. It's a complex beast with its own specific lingo and concepts that one must grasp. However, once you get the hang of it, Angular can be quite rewarding. The framework's structure and design patterns can lead to highly maintainable code, which is a big plus for large-scale applications. Performance-wise, Angular is no slouch either. Its built-in features, like ahead-of-time AOT compilation and lazy loading, help optimize application speed and efficiency. As for community support, Angular's got it in spades. Being backed by Google is no small feat. It means regular updates, a vast pool of resources, and a large, active community of developers. But as with everything, Angular has its cons. Its complexity can be daunting, especially for smaller projects where a simpler tool might suffice. Also, the framework's rigid structure can limit flexibility to some extent. That said, Angular is a powerhouse. It's a robust, full-featured framework that excels in building large-scale, complex applications. It's been around for a while, and it's here to stay. Its use by major companies like Microsoft, IBM, and Google itself is a testament to its reliability and staying power. So if you're planning to build a large, complex application, and you're not afraid of a little learning curve, Angular could be just the ticket. Remember, every tool has its ideal use case, and Angular's happens to be in the realm of big, ambitious projects. Angular, with its power, might be overkill for smaller projects, but shines in large, complex applications. Scene script. Next, we have React, more of a library than a framework, but don't let that fool you. Diving right into the heart of React, this JavaScript library, developed and maintained by Facebook, is all about building user interfaces. It's like the handy toolbox you rummage through when you need to construct a robust and interactive UI. But it's not just about being robust. It's about being efficient and flexible as well. What makes React stand out is its virtual DOM. You see, unlike the actual document object model, or DOM, which can be slow to update, React's virtual DOM is a lightweight copy of the actual DOM. It allows React to make the minimal number of changes to the actual DOM, ensuring superior performance. It's like having a blueprint before constructing a building. You have a plan, you know what to change, and you do it efficiently. React is also highly modular. With a component-based architecture, each part of your application is encapsulated in self-contained components. This means you can reuse components, which reduces the amount of code you need to write and makes code management a breeze. It's like having a set of building blocks that you can arrange and rearrange at will. Now let's talk about community support. React has a massive community of developers. This means a wealth of resources, tutorials, and third-party libraries at your disposal. But as with anything, React is not without its downsides. The high pace of development means that you might have to keep learning new ways of doing things. Also, React covers only the view layer of your application, so you might need other libraries for state management and routing. But despite these cons, the pros often outweigh them. React offers flexibility and simplicity, making it a popular choice for many developers. Its potent combination of performance, reusability, and a supportive community makes it a strong contender in the world of JavaScript libraries. So if you're all about flexibility, efficiency, and a robust UI, React might just be the library you're looking for. React offers flexibility and simplicity, making it a popular choice for many developers. Lastly, we have Vue, a progressive framework that is gaining popularity. Vue is a delightful concoction of the best features of its counterparts, Angular and React, and then some. It's like a house where minimalism meets functionality, and they get along quite well. What makes Vue stand out from the crowd is its progressive nature. Imagine working on a project and realizing you need a framework to manage the growing complexity. With Vue, you can incrementally adopt its features without having to overhaul your entire codebase. It's like adding rooms to your house gradually without having to tear down the existing structure. Another impressive feature of Vue is its simplicity. Its gentle learning curve makes it an attractive choice for beginners. Yet, it's powerful enough to build sophisticated single-page applications. It's like a bike that morphs into a sports car when needed. When it comes to performance, Vue is no slouch either. It's lean and fast, thanks to its lightweight virtual DOM and asynchronous rendering. It's like a cheetah that's been trained to run even faster. Community support is another area where Vue shines. It boasts a vibrant, active community that is ever ready to lend a helping hand. It's like living in a friendly neighborhood where help is always just a shout away. But it's not all sunshine and rainbows. Some developers find Vue's flexibility a double-edged sword, leading to inconsistency in code. It's like having too many cooks in the kitchen, each with their unique style of cooking. Additionally, Vue's smaller community size, compared to Angular and React, can sometimes mean fewer resources and third-party libraries. But these are minor hiccups in what is otherwise a smooth journey. Vue, with its simplicity and progressive nature, is a solid choice for both small and large-scale applications. It's like a versatile tool that fits comfortably in your hand, ready to tackle any task you throw at it. Vue, with its simplicity and progressive nature, is a solid choice for both small and large-scale applications. So, we've looked at Angular, React, and Vue, each with their distinct features and advantages. Angular, a full-fledged powerhouse framework, is known for its robustness and scalability. It's a one-stop shop for developers, providing a comprehensive set of tools and features, including two-way data binding and dependency injection. However, its steep learning curve and verbosity can be a bit intimidating, especially for newcomers. Then we have React, a flexible JavaScript library, rather than a full-blown framework. React's main selling point is its simplicity and its component-based architecture that promotes reusability. It's beneficial for fast rendering and creating interactive user interfaces. But remember, it's just a library, so for features like routing and state management, you'll need to rely on additional libraries. Finally, we discussed Vue, the progressive framework. Vue strikes a balance between Angular and React by offering a blend of their best features. It's easy to learn with its simple syntax and provides a gentle learning curve. Vue is also highly adaptable, allowing developers to opt for a full framework experience or a build-as-you-go approach. But it has a smaller community and fewer resources compared to Angular and React. In the end, there is no definitive answer to which is the best among the three. It all depends on your project requirements, team expertise, and personal preference. If you need a full-fledged framework with enterprise-level capabilities, Angular might be the choice for you. If you prefer simplicity and flexibility, React could be your go-to. And if you're looking for a balance of both, Vue could be just right. Remember, the best framework is the one that suits your project needs and personal preferences. Feel free to share your experiences with these frameworks in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to Dev Masterminds for more tech insights. Thanks for watching.